What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this outline effect on Canva into a simple, fast and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, let's get things started. First thing, you must have a title, so you can place the title just like this, change the font, choose some font you like, and align to the center. Okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus on Elements, click on it, and go to Shapes, okay? Let me show you. Right here we have Shapes. Go to this one, the basic shape. Then increase from right, from left. Make it bigger. Change the position, maybe like this is okay. Now click on the color and change the color to the same one on the background, okay, just like this. Then click on your text and click with the right button of your mouse over it and go to duplicate. Align both texts so they can be equal. Then go to effects and go to hollow. Once on hollow, decrease the thickness until you find the options that better suits your needs. Mine is like this. And you have made your design. All you have to do now is move the shape wherever you want. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!